Arsenal terrible striker Viktor Gyökeres scoring first goal for inside Arsenal jersey for the Gunners 3-0 victory against Athletic Club for preseason friendly today. And I go quickly touch 5 things where I noticed for inside the match. Number 1, at the build-up play. Arsenal build-up play for inside the match. It did so much quicker than what we see from Mikel Arteta team last season and some of their recent preseason match, and the team play in a very direct style. And the long balls from the centre back and the deep midfielders, it makes sense well for Arsenal today, and I think that's something to watch out from going into the new season. Number 2, Viktor Gyökeres go score plenty goals this season. He movement for inside the box, he did very sharp, and the goal when he scored for inside the match, now a proper striker goal, and no other better way to shut up those people when talk say he know they score plenty goals within head when Arsenal sign up than to score your first goal in Arsenal jersey with your head. And if you easily make 2 goals with him head today with that flying nodding, where we say it would work for inside the match. And number 3, the one pivot for midfield of Declan Rice and Martin Zubimendi, he look very solid today. And those 2 people for inside Arsenal midfield, they control the play from Arsenal from back. And if you watch the way they take play today, you they see them say that they come receive the ball. And Martin Zubimendi, a fantastic performance from him. And if you ask me, I go tell you say that Martin Zubimendi be my man of the match, because that pass when he give Viktor Gyökeres take score, na fantastic assist in do for them, and he show say na a player where one day with the ball always, and he go fit detect the play for this Arsenal team. And number 4, I go talk say Arsenal make a lot of mistakes when they try to pass out from the back, and this is something where Arsenal manager Mikel Arteta need to work before season go start, because if they make those kind of mistakes against Manchester United will be the first game, or against the top teams for inside the Premier League, they're going to make them pay. So Arsenal need to know when to pass from the back, and when they pass from the back, when they don't make those their mistakes, or make them reduce the mistakes as much as possible, because they make them again today, but Athletic Club no fit make them pay. And the 5th one, I go talk say, we don't see what the competition of places we do for inside team, and the way this Arsenal team they look now, it be like say they get 2 better players for every wing, because today when they come out Viktor Gyökeres put Kai Havertz, we see say Kai Havertz also can do his own contribution. We see say Miles Lewis Kelly no start the match and Ricardo Calafiori start. We see say Ricardo Calafiori do his own. MLS when he come himself do his own. But one area where go still remain a worry for many people going into the new season, now the left wing, and Noni Madueke when he enter for inside the left wing, he tried to show working, and even Gabriel Martinelli too. Today also him also assist and try to show working for inside that Arsenal left wing. But in general, tell me what you think concerning the Arsenal performance today against Athletic Club. Me, I don't talk my own one kobo, but tell us your mind what you think about Arsenal performance and the areas where you think say Mikel Arteta men need to make improvement before the new season go start next week when they go face Manchester United for Old Trafford.